Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get tokens and grow a garden game of Roblox in new farmers market event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The farmers market update has been dropped in grow a garden, and I have already teleported to the farmers market, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get a token. So if you want to get token, you just need to click on this plus icon and you will need Robux to buy the tokens. 50 Robux for 50 tokens. And you can also sell your items to get the tokens. You can claim a booth first, like this, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and you can change the booth skins, and here you can add something that you want to trade or that you want to sell. For example, I'm going to add my pets. I'm going to add this pixie, and here you can set the price. I'm going to set 5, and we just need to click on sell, and I will receive 4 tokens after this pet sold out. And I'm going to click on confirm, and we need to wait for the other players to buy something that we display on our booth, and after that we will get tokens. And yeah, it's pretty hard guys. I have been here for 1 hour or 2 hours, and then there's no players who buy my pet. Especially when you don't have a rare pet or rare plants, it will be so hard for you to get the tokens. Okay guys, and that's how you can get tokens and grow a garden farmers market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.